and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to talk a bit about skincare. So if you want to learn about that, then just keep watching. Actually, this is the second time when I'm filming this review. I did film last week, but I had a technical issue with my mic. The sound was bad. I tried to edit it, but it was not possible. So I said I will sit down again and film it because I love talking about this product and I cannot stop myself talking about it, because when I discover something really amazing, I want to share that with you, with my lovely YouTube girlfriends. Today's video, it's a review of a product that I've received for testing a couple of months ago. This product was sent by the company called Noomi Stockholm, and this is their BirchTech Hybrid. The company, it is based on Stockholm, and they believe in the power of natural products, and they have released this product. This is their first product, this is their baby, and is meant to shorten the application steps of your nighttime routine. Hence the name hybrid, because this product, it is a hybrid between a night cream and a serum. Now let's talk a bit about this product. BirchTech Hybrid, it is a overnight serum cream which contains 0.5% retinol. It contains also vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and Swedish birch sap. The product is meant to be for all skin types. The Noomi Stockholm company is also vegan and cruelty-free. The powerful overnight treatment dramatically transforms your skin. Anti-aging BirchTech Hybrid rapidly restores a youthful appearance. Firming Swedish lingonberry boosts elasticity and tone. Organic Swedish birch sap encourages strength and resilience. Cloudberry promotes a plump and smooth look. Proven technology for proven results. It contains 0.5% encapsulated retinol that promotes skin renewal. It contains 1.5% pure vitamin C plus E for brightening and rejuvenating your skin, and 2% hyaluronic acid that restores visible hydration and vitality. What it claims to do: replenish youthful brightness, radiance, firmness and volume, counteracts visible signs of intrinsic and extrinsic aging caused by environmental stressors and genetics. BirchTech Hybrid is a 2-in-1 combination of a nightly serum and cream. Therefore, its name is hybrid. It has a multi-purpose application to shorten the user's regular skincare regimen and can replace other creams and serums for one single easy application step. It can be also used during other circumstances, like before a long flight to prevent hydration loss, or before working long hours in front of a screen to protect against blue light damage. It is a perfect product for travel because it is multi-use function. The only case that this product it is not recommended, it is during pregnancy. The product is non-diluted and does not contain any distilled water or fillers. The formula is instead packed with beneficial natural ingredients from the Nordic nature. The Arctic ingredients in Sweden have adapted for survival in extreme environmental conditions and changing climates, and therefore very concentrated with antioxidants, enzymes, omega fatty acids among others. The extreme winters in Arctic and the short intense summer season with the exotic midnight sun, as well as the clean rivers, forests and marshlands, give way to unique, highly adaptable plant-based ingredients with potent capabilities to strengthen, revitalize and protect the skin. So they are sourcing their products in Nordic Lapland, which is a part of northern Sweden, that has the world's largest organical certified forest area of 13 million hectares. What exactly BirchTech Hybrid contains? Formulated with 55% non-organic birch sap tapped directly from the roots of the birch tree. The sap is super nutrient rich, containing 55 different components like antioxidants, vitamins, amino acids, organic acids, enzymes, and more. BirchTech Hybrid contains 0.5% of microencapsulated retinol. The vitamin is incorporated in a non-visible microcapsule made of a shell of a natural sugar complex for a time-released system that does not irritate skin. Retinol has the power to help boost collagen production, increase cell turnover, and accelerate skin renewal for smoother, firmer, and more evenly toned skin. BirchTech Hybrid contains 2% pure undiluted hyaluronic acid, which is the highest concentration of hyaluronic acid you can put in a solution without any drying effects. The formula contains 2 different types of hyaluronic acid: low-weight hyaluronic acid, which is super low molecular weight, will penetrate the skin more effectively because of a smaller molecule and increase important and needed enzymes in the skin, while high weight of hyaluronic acid will form a protective barrier on the skin. It also contains vitamin C plus E. Tropical vitamin C will boost collagen levels, thus minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. It reduces skin discoloration and under-eye circles, reduce inflammation, speed up healing, and protect against free radical damage. Vitamin C plus E has shown to work very well together in skincare. Now, as I told you, I received this product, I think, in the beginning of month of July, and I haven't started using it right away. I started to use it in the beginning of August, and more specifically, I started on 1st of August because I wanted to have a clean date that I will remember. Starting from the beginning of the month, it is always a good start when you want to test a product, especially a skincare product. So I've taken photos before starting the treatment and after 3 weeks of using. And when I was checking my footage from before and after 3 weeks, I've started to notice that my fine lines that I have on the forehead, especially on my right side, have started to fade. And right now, today, I'm not wearing any foundation just because I wanted to see exactly how my skin looks like. So today we are on August 31st. I have 30 days since I'm using this product. And okay, so I don't know if you can tell some difference between the second footage and how my skin looks like, but I've noticed that on the right side, because I'm a side sleeper person, on the right side my fine lines from this corner have started to fade. My left side, it's looking even better. Also, the expression lines are not that much visible, and you know when I've realized that, when I was doing foundation wear test, I have noticed that after a couple or maybe several hours, usually foundation was starting to accumulate on my fine lines, and I've noticed that I don't have so much foundation on my fine lines, and this might be the reason, because those fine lines are not that specific, not that pronounced. When I'm doing my skincare, I will wash my face. After I wash my face, I tap it to dry it, and I apply my BirchTech Hybrid Serum. If I feel that I need more hydration on that particular day, I will use a night cream. But usually I don't feel to apply any other cream, because this this product is so hydrating. And after I apply it, I feel like something really nice is hugging my skin. You know how you feel your skin after you are washing it? You feel it stripped, especially if you have exfoliated and did some mask or something that it's stripping the moisture out. And after I apply this cream, I feel immediately a hydration and a feeling of care. So this is the sensation that I have, and I use one and a half pump, not too much, because I feel that 2 pumps are too much. I'm wasting the product, and I don't want by any means to waste. I want to use it sparingly and wisely, and moreover, of course, I will repurchase it after I will finish it. And by the way, speaking about ordering, I want to tell you that this product retails for $69 and the CEO of this company, her name is Tindra, and she was really nice and gave me a code for you guys to use it. The code is iulia.20, and this discount code entitles you of getting 20% discount plus free worldwide shipping. So this is something which I love. You know that here on my channel I'm speaking and I want to show you as much products as I can that they are available worldwide, because I learn about a great product that I want to try, and I'm bothered by that barrier that they don't ship in my country, because I live in Czech Republic and we don't get so much products, so many products that maybe they are sent to other countries even in Europe. But Noomi Stockholm, they ship worldwide and I do not get any commission, anything. This code is just for you guys, and those are my honest opinion about this product. I will leave you all the information that you need to know about this product down below on my description box. You can click on show more and all the information will be displayed. You can also find my discount code and the link where from you can purchase the BirchTech Hybrid. So thank you again, Noomi Stockholm, for sending me this product. It was a really pleasure to work with this company, and I'm looking forward to see how my skin will feel after completely using up this product. Also, the fact that I'm starting using this product in the beginning of a month will make me remember how much this jar will last me, because it contains 50 mils or 1.7 fluid ounces, and I want to have a clear information of how much it lasts, this product on me. So I will either put this information on my description box, or I will pin the information in a comment section of how much it lasted this on me, or I will mention that on one of my upcoming videos. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And you can also follow me on my social, that is always linked on my description box. And other than that, I want to wish you all to have a great, fantastic day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Okay.